Today at Abram's Mom Kitchenette, we are making this chocolate-rich, soft, fudgy-like brownies paired with cool peppermint and covered with a white, velvety exterior. So good and so pretty. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Abram's Mom Kitchenette, and this is me, Freya, Abram's mom. First, I would like to thank those who have watched my previous videos, and of course, to the ones who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button now and subscribe. And let us all be happy and let us all be positive. Please like and share it with your friends. Please. The first thing that we're gonna do is to prepare and chop our chocolates. Please note that the full written recipe is below the description box. Then let's go over the ingredients one by one. We're gonna need the brown sugar and the white sugar, our chopped bitter sweet chocolate, unsalted butter at room temperature, of course, our bread flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. The 2 whole eggs, unsweetened cocoa powder for the chocolatier cookie, the white sugar to roll our dough, the powdered sugar to the velvety white texture for the coating, the cookie molds for the beautiful shapes that we're going to make, and our secret recipe today, the peppermint extract. Now that all ingredients are ready, let's mix this all up. Mix together the butter and the chocolate that we chopped and melt this in a double boiler. Don't burn the chocolate. Then whisk in the sugar, the eggs, and the peppermint extract, making sure that the ingredients are well incorporated for the smooth texture of the cookies. Now let's go to the dry ingredients. Sift together the bread flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt, and the unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix and pull this to our butter. Mix just right and chill the dough at least 30 minutes. Now we're ready to form and shape our chilled dough. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. My tip is to form the dough first into shapes before coating it with the sugar. Make sure that the cookie is well coated with both the granulated sugar and the powdered sugar. And then we're gonna bake this on top of the shelf for 12 minutes. But don't overbake this. After a few minutes, your crinkles are ready. Let's taste this one now. So fudgy, so heavenly, and it's perfect with your coffee. Must try this recipe for this coming Valentine's Day or whenever you crave for this one. But if you don't have time to make this recipe, you can always give us a message at our Facebook page and give us your order. So if you like this video and you find value, please hit the subscribe button now and like and share it with your friends. Let us all be happy and let us all be positive. Just eat, enjoy, and love. See you around in my next video.